How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good. So, you became a volunteer at the shelter called Save in Toms River off Route 9, right? And first of all, we all have a lot of things in common because we're here to help the animals and help get them adopted. It's a no-kill shelter, and that's one of the major things, you know? And I see you many times on a Sunday, you know? So just tell me a quick little story, if you may, about how did you find out about the shelter and how did it all start for you?
Well, I semi-retired 2 years ago. I'm an anesthesiologist. I work 2 days a week, and I was looking for something to do. I checked out a couple other places, and they never got back to me. And I saw this advertised at the PetSmart in Brick, and I contacted the rescue, and they oriented me, and I've been coming for about 9 months.
Wow, okay. And how's it made you feel since you started?
It's good. It's fun. It's a lot of work, but it's fun, and it's nice to see the animals get moved to homes and get to know them and meet the volunteers and make some new friends. And
I bet you feel like you're making a difference, don't you?
I do, and it's nice. I've usually been coming on Sunday night because that was not a thing that people signed up for, but I've been coming different shifts too. It's nice.
And I can tell you that I know Patty has been extremely appreciative of that.
Oh, okay,
She
yeah.
runs the schedule, and we actually need more volunteers because we only have, I think, about 30 from what I understand.
Well, I work different. I can't necessarily give the same day if I did because I work different shifts.
Yeah,
Like I work Monday
yes.
one day, Tuesday the next week, so I can't give every, the same day, so I kind of pick up where I can.
And the reason I'm doing this video is because we're looking for another 30 volunteers.
That would be wonderful, yeah.
Yeah, and you know what? It's a very gratifying type of work. Even though, it's all volunteer work, nobody gets paid.
Right.
At the end of the day, go home, and when you come back and you see that a few of these pets have been adopted from week to week, and there's fewer, then we could adopt more and help them out because animals are really part of everybody's life and part of our culture. That's what it's all about. So thank you for this interview, and I hope this generates more people who have that same interest. Okay, great.
Okay, thanks.